If your garden bed is ready and you seeding in your garden bed for the first time, then this video is for you. Today, I'll be seeding turnip greens for the fall. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and ring that bell. That'll help me out a lot. Let's get started.
Driving fast down Highway 89 through the twisted Ponderosa pines. I'm drinking in the cloudless cyan sky. I wish this lonely mountain road would take me somewhere I'd be home, but it's gonna make me go.
Okay, I'm gonna start off with my soil conditioner.
Cradle me through your boulders and twisted trees. Arizona, hold me tight to the bright, unquiet night. Arizona, let me in.
And now I'm gonna add my compost.
Let me in. Arizona, cradle me.
Okay, now we're gonna add some good quality dirt that'll feed up to 9 months. And I do this every season, spring, fall, and right now I'm getting ready for my fall.
My body's free, my thoughts are loose. The suburbs just don't know the truth the way these canyons do. This two-lane road goes on forever as the sky and mountains run to.
Okay, and I'm gonna use this good Barncastle soil here, which is a good fertilizer.
Arizona, hold me tight to the bright, unquiet night. Arizona, let me in. Arizona, let me in. Arizona, cradle me. Arizona, cradle me. Arizona, cradle me through your boulders and twisted trees. Arizona, hold me tight through the bright, unquiet night. Arizona,